Good morning and a very hearty welcome to all of you on behalf of IBI and its Board of Directors to the 10th Broker Summit on the theme Brokers Dedicated to Growth and Penetration of Insurance in this famous city of Hyderabad. IBI is now 11 years young and is the only IID recognized association with all the licensed brokers are required to be members of the association. Today, licensed brokers are around 315. This is the first time after Vijayanji took charge that we have crossed boundary of 300 brokers. Otherwise, the IID issue 10 license and 10 resign and go back. So, the first time it has increased. There are 276 direct brokers, 33 composite brokers and 6 reinsurance brokers. We understood that a good number of publications are in pending with IRDA and mostly they will be issued the licenses. Friends, this year's summit will focus on important role of brokers in shaping of the future course of development of Indian insurance market, increasing insurance penetration and achieving higher growth level through dedication. In partnership with customers and insurers, which is our objective, the broker summit is also on individual to bring together our broker members and representative of insurance and clients to emerge, to engage brokers to become more professional in offering value-added services both at the clients and insurers. Insurance industry in India is under transformation and is expected to grow much faster than before for a variety of reasons, such as growth of the financial sector as a whole in general and various services segment in particular. This is especially the case in view of the new thrust of government on financial inclusion. Insurance would now be taken to the masses as in the case of banking and other related segment of financial services. IRDA has in the recent past has taken a number of initiatives through e-education and enhanced media coverage for wider dissemination of information on developments in the insurance sector. The industry participants have also been undertaking innovative measures to reach out of the masses. General insurance industry has grown at the close to 20% over last 5 years and reached an annual premium is rupees 70,000 crores in the fiscal year of 2013. Retail lines have been strong growth in the recent past as the customers are becoming increasingly aware of the benefit of general insurance. There is therefore huge scope for increased insurance penetration, particularly general insurance from present level of 0.75 to 1.50 in shorter possible time. Similarly, life insurance companies have also embarked upon a very ambitious plan for ensuring at least one life policy for every insurable life. Hence, it will be very interesting as the market is going to evolve at a very fast pace. Friends, we have thoughtfully selected this year's summit themes: brokers dedicated to growth and penetration of insurance, keeping in mind the vision, plan and roadmap being charted out by the both life insurance and general insurance companies for keeping pace with the development and increasing the penetration of insurance in the country. Surely, therefore, insurance brokers have a vital role in the development of insurance industry through their dedication and professional skills in steering the insurance industry to greater growth. As Mr. Sanjay Kede already told, according to IID figures, we are crossing around 24% and day by day its percentage will increase. During the course of the program, you will find interesting topics being discussed by eminent speakers and panelists revolving around the summit theme. The focus would be on the opportunities for the insurance brokers to reinforce their role as dedicated partners in achieving higher growth and penetration of insurance in the country. Friends, IBI is greatly honored to have Sri T.S. Vijayanji, Chairman IID, with us today to inaugurate 10th Broker Summit and also deliver his keynote address. We are pleased to have our amidst Mr. Ramprasad, Sri D.D. Singh ji and other all officials from IIDA. Friends, during the year, we had met the IID Chairman, Sri T.S. Vijayan, and also other IID senior officials on more than one occasion to apprise the need to addressing the several issues for streamlining and making the functioning of broking intermediaries as more effective. To begin with some of the demands which received IRDA's favorable consideration brokerage on tourism premium. IBI's long-standing submission for 10% brokerage was partly met by IRDA by issuing a direction to the tourism pool manager GIC Re for allowing 5% brokerage. The insurance manager in their communication to insurance companies conveyed that brokerage up to 5% may be loaded to the existing tourism premium rates and charged to the insured. But on our request to IRDA, on immediately taking the matter with the IRDA, IB President GIC Re was asked to IRDA to reissue the circular allowing brokerage of 5% without any loading. This is, I can say, that's a proactive stand taken by IRDA official chairmanship that we could achieve a long demand from insurance. Immediately, we wish to give credit in some measure to IRDA for this business from single client, increase in limit of business from single client from 30 to 50%. It will also, some of the hurdles will be rooted out from broking. Annual fees, for reduction in the annual fees from 0.50 of annual brokerage to 0.25, just 50% of that. Though maximum limit remain same as before without much benefit, major section broker, but still I feel that small brokers will get a benefit of it, but 1 lakh cap is there. So sir, this is for your consideration. Sub-broking. The committee appointed by IRD in which IBI President and 2 other directors were member has submitted its recommendation, and we believe that the issue is under active consideration of the authority. Sir, we are eagerly hoping to hear something favorable and encouraging on this from you today. Sir, we are however greatly, I won't talk about disappointment today. We will try to get, so I will remove this paragraph itself. Because he is, I can tell you, till moment I spoke to him, I was not hopeful. I don't know whether he is written in Delhi, but thanks to God that he made all efforts to reach to our program. So really, I am grateful to Chairman Sahab that he reached in. And now, some of the latest heartbreaks for broking community are following. Renewal of license of brokers member, IRDA circular of October 11, 2013, directing the insurer not to accept any business from the insurance broker and holding a valid license on that day, and the letter of processing issued by the authority should not be treated as approval for acceptance of new business, has come as a shock to the broking community. We believe that if the applicant does not suffer from disqualification and submit the application within the time limit and on tendering fees, the license shall be renewed on time. Our understanding is that the regulations do not allow deferment of the renewal date. If the renewal application does not suffer from any disqualification and has complied with the time limit specified, the direction in the IRDA circular amount to suspension of license pending renewal, which will seriously imperil and penalize the broker member. The fallout out of this would be the broker whose license is pending renewal is bound to lose his business. The business will be either captured by some other brokers or insurance company directly will be too happy to book the business directly. The business once lost, broker will never be able to capture the same again. While we wholeheartedly appreciate and welcome Chairman's direction that no license should be delayed or undecided before the renewal date, we are afraid that till this status is achieved, the broker members whose licenses are urgently pending renewal should be given due consideration and not be make the suffer.